All right, I have in front of me a Master ProSeries combination padlock. It is currently set, to all zeros. You can see. So what I'm going to do is put it in the mode to change numbers, mix it up, lock, and mix it up some more. All right, so I'm gonna put it back to all zeros. So you can see the combination has been changed. All right, so now I'm gonna try and find the combination. And how I do this is I pull on the shackle and rotate each number a little bit to see how much movement I get, to see if I can get it into a false gate. You see how that one had a lot more movement than the other ones? So the first number is a 6. Second number, might be a 4. No. Oops. I think the second number is a 7. Although I could be wrong on that one. Let's keep going. So far I've got 6, 7, 6, 7. This one I don't really have to jiggle, because if I'm right on the other 3, if I just pull, it'll open when I get to the right one. Oh, I'm wrong on one of them. I think that second one is wrong. That one's a 7, so let's try this again. There we go. New combination was, if I can get it in focus, 6, 8, 6, 7. That's all we got. Thanks for watching.